and welcome again to my channel. This is Learn Kikuyu with Shamati, and I'm so grateful for your continued support, and thank you for all the requests that are being made, and for those who are continuing to subscribe to the premium classes. I'm grateful for that. May God richly bless you. Okay, so this is a good day that God has given us, and I want us to just learn something about the sky. Okay, good. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Hede no yoa namweli. Good. Here we come. So today you just check on the sky and some other vocabularies that we may learn along the way. Okay, and starting with my presentation, start from the first slide. Here we come. So let's start with the first part. You can see the first part with us. So the first item that we see in the sky during the day is the sun. Okay, sun. So in Kikuyu, sun is rioa, 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 rioa. Good. And then during the night, sometimes we see the moon. The moon is mweri, mweri, mweri. And by the way, mweri also means a month. Okay? So, reading with the examples that we have in our presentation, the first we read, rioa rionekaga muthenya, naguo mweri ukoneka utuko. Rioa rionekaga muthenya, naguo mweri ukoneka utuko. That's to say that sun is seen during the day while the moon is seen at night. Good? Any. Kuoneka is to become visible, okay? Muthenya is daytime. Otuko means nighttime. Second example, riũa rĩtũheaga ũrugarĩ, naguo mweri ũgatũmũrĩkĩra ũtukũ. Kuhe is to give. Ũrugarĩ means heat or warmth. Okay? Kumurika is to do what? What do you do with that, Tosh? Yes, to bring that light, okay? So, kumurika. So that sentence means sun give us warmth while moon light ups the night. Good. We go to the next one. Sunrise. Sunrise in Kikuyu, we can say koratha, 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 okay? Koratha. Then sunset is godoa, 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 okay? Yes. And the examples as we have are rũciũ ngokĩra riũa rĩkĩratha. Rũciũ ngokĩra riũa, don't mind about the pronunciation mistake there. Rũciũ ngokĩra riũa rĩkĩratha. Tomorrow I will wake up at sunrise. Koratha, koratha. Sunrise, godoa. Sunset, and then we have godoa, godoa. Okay. Then we have the second example, which is mbũri icokagio gĩcegũ riũa rĩaratha. Mbũri icokagio gĩcegũ riũa rĩa ratha. That is to say that goats, Boline goats, are returned. Return is gũcokia. Gĩcegũ is pen. The goat's pen. At sunset, that is rĩa ratha. Nĩ rĩa ratha kana nĩ rĩa thũa? Rĩa thũa. So another mistake there. So it's supposed to be mbũri icokagio gĩcegũ riũa rĩa thũa. Okay. After sunset or at sunset, whichever. Walimu wa Kizungu, nisameheni. So another thing that we see in the sky is the clouds. In Kikuyu, clouds are called matu. Matu. And then something else that we rarely see, but sometimes we see it, is rainbow, 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 rainbow. So, rainbow is mokoga bura, mokoga bura. And in this example, I want you to go to the comment section. You who is a Kikuyu, or you who have an old man, and tell me, gũkũnga nĩ gwĩka atĩa? Gũkũnga, what is the meaning of gũkũnga? Because this thing called rainbow is being called mokoga bura. It seems that it does something to the rain. Bura actually is rain. Yeah. So in the first example that we have is matu nĩ makenagia maitho mũno. Matu nĩ makenagia maitho mũno. Gũkenia is to make someone happy, okay, or to entertain. Good. Maitho, gĩthithi, maitho, iniũrũ, kanua, gũtũ. Yeah, so maitho is eyes. When it is one is ritho. Good. Our second example is mũkũnga mbura nĩ wa marangi mũgwanja. Rangi. Rangi means color. Okay. Mbura, we have always said that it means rain. Mũgwanja is counting, counting, counting. 7. Ĩmwe, igĩrĩ, ithatũ, inya, ithano, ithathatũ, mũgwanja, inyanya, kenda, ikũmi. Yeah, so mũgwanja is 7. So we are saying that rainbow has 7 colors. Good. Something else, at night we also see the stars. Stars in Kikuyu are called jata, jata, jata. And then you also have the rain clouds. It is just matu, mabura, matu, mabura. That is the dark rain clouds. The examples that we have are Ibrahimu erirwo nĩ Ngai atare njata. Abraham was told by God to count the stars. Then our second example is matu ma mbura nĩ mairũ. Koira is dark, dark. Like this, with the way we say, black people lives matters. Black, that's color, dark. Yeah, then that example means rain clouds are dark. Okay. Okay. And that is it for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to contact me, you can call on WhatsApp me on +254 718317877 or send me an email at martinkarari@gmail.com. Dayo, tuonane wakati mwingine. May God bless you. Continue commenting. continue sharing the content, continue making your request, and we will see the way forward. We are here to learn, we are here to help one another, and all the best as you continue learning Kikuyu with I, Teacher Martin. By the way, if you want to support me, you can always support me via that number there. You can also go to Amazon Kindle and buy my books there so that you can get these materials. You can read them maybe in your Amazon Kindle that you can install in any of your phone, whether you are using the iPad, whatever, Android, it's always available there. So you can install the app and purchase the book. Actually, they are not costly. It will cost you like $2, I think so. Yeah. Okay, so may God bless you and bye for now. For any questions, you have my number there. For comment, kindly comment. If you have not subscribed, kindly support me those subscription, and also continue sharing, liking, to make sure that this content go far and wide and help more people to learn Kikuyu. Thank you. Ngai amurathime, tuonane hingo ĩngĩ. Thayo.